Alrighty. Okay, guys. So I've got my camera set up across the room. Gonna have to talk kind of loud for you to be able to hear me. So I have with me the Expert Grill 17.5-inch charcoal grill. Assemble yourself kind of thing. It says it has a 16 burger cooking capacity. Let me turn this off. It is 302 square inch total cooking area, porcelain coated, steel cooking grate, 1 year limited warranty. And it has a manual for the complete warranty. This grill uses a kettle grill cover, which is sold separately. Easy assemble is what it says. It should be assembled in 30 minutes or less. Well, let's see how my brilliance can handle a 30-minute assembly. Okay, so I accidentally ripped it earlier, but I do need a knife to probably open this wherever my knife went. Purple dragon. Alright, so we're going to open this the way it's supposed to be opened. So it says Hefei Shanyu Packaging Material Company Limited. So made in China. I'm going to assume, will you cut the tape? You're supposed to be the good knife. Alrighty. So it looks like I have a metal rack here. It's got like a screw in area, and these have little holes. So let's set that aside. I have like 2 big boxes full of smaller boxes in my room. Oh, you're loud. Trash. I have another metal grate. This one has little bumps on it. Let go. Okay. Ugh. This thing says Expert Grill on it. Right there. Not too heavy. It's got a little hook latch here. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe that shuts it. Keeps it shut. We'll find out. Couple small pieces I'm seeing. Wheels. Plastic. Metal bar. Some hose. These look like the legs. So it looks like handles and stuff. The little metal plate that goes in the top. Directions. And another metal grill. 2 of these. This one's bigger than the other one. Ugh. Looks like a bunch of washers, screws. I don't know what the twist things are that go on the screws, and I'm not seeing anything else in this box. Okay, cleaning and care, we're not there yet. For your safety, important safeguards, there's 2 whole pages of that. Expanded view. Okay, so it's got it like taken apart in the image. Okay. Oh, they're called wing nuts. That's what they're called. I learned a thing today. Tools required for assembly that are not included. A Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, well, crap then. I have one in my car. Let me go get my toolkit in my car. Okay. So, hopefully this screwdriver is good enough. Yeah, it looks like it'll fit. Okay. Because I got the smaller one and I got the regular sized one that looks regular. I'm a girl. I don't know tools. Okay, parts list. I'm going to assume everything's here. So, number 1, do not return to place of purchase. Please have your owner's manual and model number available for any reference. Select an area where you will assemble this product. For best results, complete each step in order presented. Oh my gosh. Typical assembly is approximately 25 minutes. Tighten all hardware connections by hand first, and then before completing each step, go back and fully tighten all hardware. Be careful not to over tighten, could damage surface or strip threads. It says to spread out all the parts. I spread out the parts, technically. Okay. So, alright, so they're labeled A, B, C, D, whatever over here, and they're listed what they are and how many pieces they are. And it individually, so this is giving me the lid first. Alright, so it's giving me the lid and it's showing me this with one of the handles and the little grid thingy. And it's saying A, I need one of the step screws, which are listed here. It says A.C, so I'm guessing they're both the same. And it needs a C, which is the wing nut that goes with it, and a D, which looks wider. There's 2 of those, and those are the wider wing nuts. That's those right there. Okay, so I need an A and a C, which are already put together in pairs. So an A and a C, and I need a D. I need 2 of those. And I'm dumb because the letters are also written on the back, so shut up. I also need an F, which is a washer, and an H, which is a larger washer, so I need an F. Okay, ease of use in ripping these off the back is kind of a 3 out of 5. And an H, which is 2 larger washers. You like open it up, it looks like a roll of coins. Come out! Oh, if I break this and then lose washers, these are like stuck together. They're coated with, they're magnetic. I can feel it, they're pulling on each other. They're magnetic. Those are. Alright, I'm going to set these aside so I don't lose them. Probably will. And I need the lid. And probably to put my knife up, because that would be safe. That would be the safe thing to do. We don't do that. Alright, so I need a handle and the metal grid thingy. It doesn't say what it is. Hold on. Lid air vent handle. And a handle. Y'all, we're getting technical over here with these words. Technical is my middle name. Okay, so that's the lid vent handle and one of the handles. So, the picture is facing this way. A is facing like this. Okay, so I can see how that closes the vent. Got it. And it is saying that F and C have to close it at the bottom. So F is the smaller washer and C is attached to A, and A goes through the top. All right. We're doing this, y'all. Going in. Go in there. Okay, so I gotta flip it over. Alright, and we put the washer on screw, and then the wing nut on the washer, on the screw. And we don't tighten it all the way, it said to tighten it later. So I guess you hold the Phillips head on one side and you tighten the wing nut, or whatever, you hold it. I'll figure it out. Okay. Alright, so this already has like the little screws on the base. So that explains why it only needs 2 washers and the 2 wing nuts. So I need to put my handle, well, it's not shaped in any sort of way, so I guess it just puts in there like that. We're going to flip you over, put the washers through, and the wing nuts. Look how easy the top was to do. Look at me, Master Chef Pro putter together. Alright, I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I'll do that later. Okay, that still slides. That's good. That doesn't completely close. It still leaves like a little space. It's okay. That's okay. Alright, so there's the lid. And we're going to set that aside for now. Step 3 is the base piece. And we are looking for 2 A's, 2 C's, which is the already combined. Oh, there was only 2 left. Well, that works. And we're looking for 2 D's. There. 2 F's, which go with the A and the C. I learned that one already, because there's only 2 left, and that was the last 2. 2 H's. These are hard to get out. 1, 2. I swear they're magnetized. They're hard to pull apart. I mean, it's not like hard to pull apart, but they stuck together. I need 4 B's, which are the longer black screws. 1. Looks like there's only 4 in here. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put those over here. And 4 more H's. So you only have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So I'm going to put those over there with those. I think that's where they go. There we go. I got a feeling these are for the handle. Those are for the legs probably, or something. Alright. So. Alright, it's showing this thingy. This is where we get into complicated. So on the front, it's got a thing for the handle, and it's got this thingy that looks like underneath it, facing outward. That's it. It's just a picture. So, this goes, let's see, the picture is like this way, and it's saying that the A's, I have to unscrew these off. Come off. This is so tedious. Why couldn't I have them separate? Alright, and the other A, and it's saying to put it through the long holes of the bar. Yeah, it's saying to put it through the long holes of the bar. Okay. And then, obviously, so it says it goes like this. That's what the picture looks like, because there's no actual directions onto which way they go. And then the washers and the wing nut. Wing nuts. aren't that complicated, are they? Don't do that. Who said you could do that? I didn't say you could do that. It doesn't say if you go to screw them in tightly or anything like that. I think this is like a bottom vent. Possibly, maybe, possibly. Yeah, it's like, it's a bottom vent. Okay, and the other handle goes on top of it. Guess it doesn't matter which way it goes. It's generic. And that's the larger washers and wing nuts. I only have 2 hands here. Oh, there it goes. No, go on. You know you want to. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Go on. There it goes. See, you just had to talk to it nicely. Threaten it with no dessert. Okay. That's one. Lord, no, you be a problem too. There we go. Alright. So I got F. Ooh. That just kind of like skipped. That was weird. That's entertaining. Okay, so B and H. Where do B and H go? Oh, that's in the next picture. Well, that's not lined up very well. It's just got it like dead in the center. So I pulled those for the next picture. Come on now. Come on now. You want me to follow directions specifically and in order. You gotta put them specifically in order. Don't play with me. Alright, so it's saying to attach the legs, I'm going to need the H, the B, and the I. What is I? Washer, heat resistant, 4 pieces. Oh my gosh. Perforated strips my hiney. Alright. I dropped them. Alright, yeah, there's 4 of them. 4 legs. 4 of them. So, legs. Ooh. Let's take that coating off there, shall we? Alright. So the legs have a part where you screw in at the bottom, and then the legs have an open part on the other side. The bottom screw-in part looks like it's not labeled. 2 of those. Are they all the same? No. Because these have a flat part with holes, and these have a screw-in part. So I'm assuming the screw-in part is the one that has to go here. Alright. So this is going to be the front, and I think according to the picture, the wheels are on the back. So what I'm going to do is these 2 that don't have that thing there are going to be the front ones. So the screw-in part. One of these. Alright, so B and H are attached together. This is an H. And then I is attached inside of that thing like that. Underneath. Alright, so let's do one at a time. So I don't, and these are going to be front legs. This is a front leg. So the heat resistant washer goes on top of the leg, but it goes under the metal thing. Turn sideways. Right. The heat resistant washer does not want to go onto the screw. Go on. and the leg does not want to go directly. Come on. I feel like it's sideways, like it skipped a thread. Frustrating. Okay. So hold this as tight as possible, straight as possible. That's not going. Not to mention there's no air circulation in here now that I cut the AC off. So now I'm sweating in a sweater. Okay, let's try it this way since I'm right-handed. And obviously my brain only functioned in one direction today. It doesn't seem like it wants, the screw wants to go in. Straight, anyway. Let go. What in the world? No, it doesn't want to go in at all. It's like halfway up there and now it stops. What in the hell? Where's my screwdriver? You there. This is tricky. Okay. One leg. Fun man. Alright. Other leg. Washer. Draw. Front hole. Second washer, heat resistant washer. I'm going to turn it towards me. Slightly easier. I say that and then it acts like the other one probably. This one's going on easier than the other one. Why was the other one being a pain in the butt? Lord. Y'all. Up in here. Alright, so back. Leggies. Screw. Washer. Go in. Don't fall. Heat resistant. Washer. Back leg. Why did the first one refuse to go on? These are doing okay. Last leg. Alright, this one's being kind of wobbly too. Maybe it's just the way that it's threaded. Yeah, this one's being difficult too. Alright, I'll tighten those in a little bit. So I've got my legs on. La la. And I'm assuming that these are the two caps that go on front legs. Guess they just pop in. It doesn't say, like they're not labeled. Go to step 5. Still doesn't say. Okay. So we'll just leave these off for a second because I don't know. Alright, I'll wait. Let's follow the directions in order. Attach the bottom grid to the wheels. Okay, so this is the bottom grid. I'm assuming 2 have screws. I'm guessing those are for the wheels. And these 2 have holes, which I need in 2 E's, 2 G's, and 2 J's. So let's put you down for a second. Where I can still reach the legs. Okay, could you stop falling, please? It really has to be so complicated. Alright, I need 2 E's. These are big washers. Alright, or big, sorry, we're using correct terms. These are wing nuts. 2 G's, which are washers. Or no, I need 4 of those. 4 G's. Y'all, I can't read today. What's going on? 4 G's. And 2 J's. Right there. Have I used all of my utensils yet? I have. Come out. That's empty. Okay. Right. Alright, so the 2 E's and 2 of the G's go to the front wheels, or the front area, and the 2 J's and 2 G's go to the back wheels. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Alright, I have to twist the leg for a second. Okay. Does it say how the grill is supposed to be? Does it matter if this is on top or on the bottom? Grill is attached, or grid is attached. So these are for the front. Okay, I'm not understanding how that's for the front. Am I missing something? It shows how the wheels are attached, but I'm not seeing. IBH. Guess these things do go on there, but I'm not seeing how that makes a difference. Washer. That doesn't go on. I've got it backwards. Oh, these pictures are so freaking tiny I can't even see. I've got it backwards. This screw part has to go for the front wheel. These are terrible directions. Y'all, our blind selves cannot read these stupid pictures that are so tiny. Well, the pictures for us blind people. goes there. That goes there. Screws go at the bottom or in the front. It's not going in. Oh, I'm struggling. Y'all. Oh my god, that was worse. Okay. There. Screw it in. Now it doesn't look like it has to go through the plastic part for the base. I guess I don't know. There's no picture. I guess that's a foot. Washer. Why does this seem shorter than that one? Well, alright. And now, leg for you. Oh, why did that one go in and this one didn't go in? Oh, you're a jerk. Whatever. Okay. Alright, wheel. Goes into hole. You attach a washer on the outside? Yes. Washer on the outside. Little clippy thing. Little wheel. Okay, you can stop now. Overkill there. Doing it blind here. Can't see. Where's the hole? Oh. Now I see where men have a lot of problems. That's inappropriate. Okay. There. Wheel number 2. Stop. Alright. Insert charcoal grid and cooking grid. Don't I have to tighten stuff first? I should probably tighten stuff first. I have arthritis in my hands. I can't tighten stuff. I can't even get this leg in. It's got like a piece that's sticking up right there. Should I shave it down? Come off. Maybe I should stand on it. That's about as best I'm gonna get. Alright, let's tighten all these screws. Can you see me? Alright. Tightened. 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 That one's tightened. Alright, let's tighten the handle. This is the best I'm gonna get. That's supposed to be less anyway. I don't think that's supposed to get too tight. Okay. Ugh. Make my shoes. Hey. Alright. Let's tighten these. Cool story, bro. Okay. Number 7. Oh, we're on number 6. Sorry. In order. Alright, so the one with the little feet, this one goes on the butt. Looks good. And this one goes on top. Okay. Cover lid assembly to bottom bowl assembly. This is the lid assembly. You just put it on top. Ooh, fancy. Hang lid onto bottom. That's what that little hook is for. The little hook right here. What? You hang it. All right. I did it, y'all. You want to see the finished product? Standing. Okay. Oh my God, my shoes are in the way. Let me bring it to you. All right, let me turn on flash. Zoom out a little bit. Like I said, we've had other packages arrive and I've not been able to get rid of them yet in the trash. So, okay, there's the handle, the front handle. And I'm guessing like a bottom vent, slides. There's 2 racks in there. There's a bottom rack and this top rack. This little handle here hooks onto the side. Has a lid handle. A little vent thing. Let air out. Has 2 wheels at the bottom and 2 pegs. And yes, those are toe socks because I'm awesome. Alright, very cool. That's not too bad of a size. I can do a half rack and a half rack and maybe something on the side. Yeah, this works. I like it. Did it take 30 minutes to assemble? How long is this video? 38 minutes? Yeah, it took 30 minutes to assemble. Oh, lordy. What do you guys think? It is the expert grill. I am not an expert. Let's just start there. Okay, I like it. So for ease of movement, it just kind of rolls. I'm using like 3 fingers. Oh, you can lift it up. Look at that. Roll. I like it. Super easy. I just wanted to show that too. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video at another time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.